We all know what to do when we get in a car accident, but do you know what to do if your roof has an accident? Filing a claim for your roof can be intimidating, especially if you don't know where to start. Here are a few tips to help you get started on getting a new roof. First, you should find your homeowner's insurance policy and see if there's a claim phone number to call. Get in touch with your insurance agent so he or she can get the paperwork started. Next, you should contact a few reputable contractors for quotes on the roof repair. Get 3 to 4 different quotes for the insurance adjuster. Try to have your insurance adjuster work with your contractor so they can work together on your claim. Once you've filed your claim, you can get to work having your roof repaired. Filing an insurance claim for your roof isn't all that different than filing one for your vehicle. Follow the proper procedure and you'll be on your way to getting a new roof.